stampers and paper crafters. This is Renee Daly from stampknowhow.com, and I'm back with another fun project. This time it's a Halloween project, and we're going to be using the Celebration Tidings stamp set, as well as the coordinating dies from the bundle. So let's get started. You're going to need a scrap of very vanilla cardstock. You're going to need a plaid from the Plaid Tidings 6x6 Designer Series paper. And I've chosen this one with the pumpkin pie and the dark shaded spruce color in here. I think it's really pretty for the pumpkin design. And you're also going to need one of these cellophane bags. I have my stamps mounted here, so I'm going to start off by making our label, and I'm using Memento Black here because we're going to be coloring this in with Stampin' Blends. I'm just going to stamp that down. Okay, and we're going to use this little spider stamp. I'm also going to be cutting him out with the die. And I'm going to put him up in the corner here, kind of out of the way. And he's also in Memento Black. And then to stamp our greeting, we're going to be using the shaded spruce ink. It's happy haunting is the saying we're going to use. We're just going to line that up in the middle. Okay, and that should finish our stamping up. This is a fun little project to do for Halloween. So for this, we're coloring in the lower leaves with the dark shaded spruce. I'm going to switch to the light shaded spruce. And for these, I'm going to use the small tip because these are very small. Okay, and that's our coloring. I'm also going to add a little bit of the clear Winkostella just to the pumpkins. This just makes them more of a focal point in the package. This is the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And for our dies, we're going to need Platform 1, as well as Platform 2, which is the plate cutting thing. We do not have a magnetic platform as of yet, but that will be released soon by Stampin' Up. But for now, I think we're fine. We can go ahead and put this on here. Line this up. I'm just going to use a little bit of blue tack tape just to hold that in place so it doesn't move while we're cutting it. And then we're going to go ahead and top it with the second number 3 plate. These are nice, they're all numbered. Okay. This new machine really does give a really nice detailed edge. I don't know if you can see that very well, but cuts out really beautifully. Okay, now that we have our pieces for our card, oh wait, I have one more big one to cut, sorry. Bring this back in, I still have one more to cut. Same thing for our sandwich, it's the number 1 plate, the number 2 plate, and number 3. Put our paper on the machine. For this one, we're going to cut this die out at an angle. It'll fit on this 6x6 sheet pretty well. We just need our top plate. And I'm just going to run it through. For this one, you get that nice little stitched edge as well. It's a nice little detail. First off, I'm going to fill up my little treat bag. I have some of the special dark Hershey Kisses. I just need a little stapler here. I'm going to fold this little edge over. This is just to keep everything neat. You can use any stapler for that. And then for this, we are going to use a bone folder here. I'm just going to line up these 2 edges. So they meet in the middle. Nice little crease. And I use some of this little sticky strip here. You can take your pick tool. We're just going to go ahead and remove these. I'm just going to line this up. Okay, and now for our tag, we're just going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals. Just gonna line that up with the top edge of our bag. I have a couple details left. We're gonna add some of this embroidered ribbon. This is really nice. It feels kind of like linen. And we're just gonna make a small bow. Okay. attach this to the back. I'm just gonna flip her bow over and I'm just gonna put some glue dots on. Press that into place. And for Spider, I'm going to add him on with just a small Stampin' Dimensional. And then just add a couple of these. These are the iridescent pearls. These are also in the holiday catalog. Just going to put them right on the spider's body. And that's our Celebrations Tidings little treat bag for Halloween. I hope you like this project. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think and what you're going to be making for Halloween. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back.